Hey Nash, what should we make?
I want to get laid.
Come on, dude. This is a family show.
Get your mind out of the gutter. I want something Hawaiian-ish. Spelling and punctuation matter, Tim.
All right, let's make some Hawaiian chicken skewers with Hawaiian fried rice. Today, we're making Hawaiian chicken skewers, and I'm gonna make some Hawaiian fried rice to go with it. Except for the addition of the stuff that makes it Hawaiian, I hope it's a fried rice that Uncle Roger doesn't hate. Oh, and I'm serving this to my parents because they're gonna be in town here in a few hours, so hopefully they like it too. And hey, without further ado, let's go. All right, so we're gonna start by making our sauce. It's gonna be kind of a modified huli teriyaki barbecue sort of sauce, and this is to baste our chicken and veggie skewers. So we start with a cup of pineapple juice, half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of minced or crushed or grated garlic, 2 teaspoons grated ginger, and a 1/3 cup brown sugar. And we mix. Now we chop our veggies for our skewers. So we're gonna go some red onions. I'm just gonna just chopping them into bite-sized pieces here. And we got some red peppers here. Same thing, bite-sized pieces. And then some jalapenos. Now we take our boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and we're gonna cut these guys into 1-inch cubes. Do the best you can. If a piece is kind of on the thinner side, you can always fold it over too. Just, make a mess. Now we're just gonna put these on the skewers. Just there's no rhyme or reason to this. Use whatever veggies you're using. I got what you saw. Red peppers, onions, jalapenos, we got some pineapple. So just do whatever you want. Make it pretty. And there we go. That's what we're trying to do. So now wash, rinse, repeat. Now on to our Hawaiian fried rice. This is a recipe that I am completely making up as I go, so bear with me. But I think this is gonna work. I'm kind of imagining if like a spam musubi, a Hawaiian pizza, and a fried rice had a baby. Like I said, just bear with me. I think this will be good. Here we have if you could just get diced ham, that's what I was looking for because I was feeling lazy. I got Canadian bacon because it was the closest thing that I could find to like just regular ham that was like thick cut, but any sort of ham is fine. So we're just gonna dice this. Set it aside. Next up, spam. If you don't want to put it in, don't put it in. But don't knock it till you tried it. It is extremely Hawaiian. That's why we're using it. And set this aside. Hey Nash, you want some spam? All right, now we chop the rest of our veggies. Place our shallots. And then for garnish, we're gonna chop up some green onions. Get rid of the parts we don't want. And some peppers. All right, now we're ready to make our fried rice. So in a wok, because you don't want to piss off Uncle Roger. However, a wok I may have never used before. I'm not sure. So there's not really any wok hay there. Maybe a little bit, but hey, better now than never, right? So first thing we want to do, use some oil. I'm using avocado, but Uncle Roger would probably prefer peanut. However, apparently vegetable is acceptable. I don't know. But regardless, high heat oil. So we don't want to use olive oil because we're not Jamie Oliver. If you don't have a wok, feel free to use a cast iron pan. If you don't have that, use what you have, folks. Don't not cook something because you don't have the necessary equipment. You can make anything work. Sorry, Uncle Roger. Once your oil starts to smoke, whoop, shit, just dump a bunch of it everywhere. I believe you're supposed to dump out the excess. So first thing we want to do is just sear our spam and our ham. This is going to be real quick. Once our meat has a little bit of sear on it, we're gonna set that aside. Now we're just gonna add a little bit more oil. Then we're gonna add our shallots and our garlic. Woks are fun. And then we add in about 3 eggs, already beaten. Stir this around, break it up. Once your egg just starts to solidify, we can add in our day-old rice. We add in a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of pixie dust. little bit of soy sauce. Apparently, you're supposed to add it until your ancestors tell you to stop, but I don't know how that works. And then we add in some pineapples and add back in our meat. And lastly, just for garnish, we add in our red peppers and our scallions. Kill the heat, you're ready to serve. With your grill hot, take our guys and just set them down. Also, if you took some time to grease your grill grates, that's probably not a bad idea. So there we go. So our plan here is to get a quick sear on these guys. Once we get that sear, then we're gonna start basting with this sort of modified Chaos Kitchen huli huli sauce that we made, and cook these until the chicken gets to 175. And once we have our sear, start to brush on some of this marinade sauce. And then we just flip and baste until our guys get to 175, because we're using chicken thighs. If you were using chicken breasts, I would stop at 160. Once the chicken in our skewers has gotten to 175, like I said, 160 if you happen to be using breasts, we can go ahead and pull them. And this is what we're working with. Look at that. Now you can see this is why we try to get all our pieces relatively the same. Some of these got a little charred on the ends, but that's okay. Everything else looks good. And there we have our Hawaiian fried rice with our Hawaiian skewers, aka Chaos Huli Huli chicken and Chaos Hawaiian fried rice. Time for a bite. These are my parents, folks. You guys want to introduce yourselves or just take a bite? I don't care.
I'm Drew. I'm Tim's mom.
And I'm Brian, Tim's dad.
I'm Gwyneth.
So mom's going in for the Hawaiian fried rice.
Very good. I got some of the ham and the pineapple and the rice taste really good together.
Excellent. I think it's the spam that really puts it over the edge.
Do you even like spam?
I actually do. Fried spam is
Cheers.
delicious.
And the rice is all separated. I think besides all the extra shit I added in, Uncle Roger would not hate this rice. I'll be honest.
I hope he sees this.
Nah, probably not.
Okay, going for the chicken.
The chicken is really, really moist, which doesn't always happen when you barbecue it. So really good job.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Chicken is excellent and the veggies are good. It's a nice combination.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see what the boss, Nash, thinks. Hey, bud. What's going on? Look at you. You're so pretty. Don't mind the towel on the ground, folks. We had a little mess earlier. Hey, Nash. What's up, dude? Look what we got. It's a little charred. It'll still taste good. Here's some Chaos Kitchen Hawaiian barbecue chicken and veggie skewers. What do you think? Is that good?
Yes, but more is required for the dog tax.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Knowledge speaks, wisdom listens.
You know what? I don't disagree. My parents approve, Nash approves, I approve. I know this is kind of a makeshift thing that we just invented on the fly, but it's delicious. I highly recommend throwing this into your barbecue rotation for this summer. And hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, subscribe, and share the show, it'd mean a lot to us. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash and hey, maybe my parents or some other people to taste, go ahead and drop that in the comments, or go head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.